Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Welcome to our warehouse. I'm out here to discuss today Mesh Power from Norton. So Mesh Power, really great innovation from Norton. It's 100% ceramic, so it's pass through. You're going to get great dust collection with that, by the way. So that abrasive is not a blend. You're going to get a very clean scratch with grits from 80 up to, I believe, even 320. 5-inch discs, 6-inch discs, 8-inch discs, and up to 16. And that's for the Mesh Power. So with 100% ceramic, that clean scratch, you can do this on bare wood and in between coats. And I've heard contractors say this, it's literally like an eraser. The scratch pattern is so fine. And you're going cross grain with those planetary sanders. So, you're really going to clean things up with this. So think of this as another tool in your arsenal. Mesh Power, again, available from 60 grit all the way up to 320 in 5-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, and 16-inch discs. Great dust collection, great scratch pattern. Just a phenomenal product for your cross grain sanding. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 800-737-1786. Or go to cityfloorsupply.com for your Mesh Power.